Hi friends, I am super excited because in 2 weeks I am going to be doing my second Camino, the Camino Portugues, the last 100 kilometers from Vigo to Santiago. And I'm so excited, I already started packing and I want to show you what I'm packing in case it's helpful for your own Camino. Hey! To get things started, let me show you the backpack that I am using on this new Camino. This is the same backpack that I used in November when I did the Camino Finisterre from Santiago, and I had absolutely no problem at all. It's super comfortable, and as you can see, it's a no-name brand. I just picked it up on Amazon, and it did the job. The straps here are super comfy. And the bag also has some extra padding on the back. So yeah, this bag was super comfortable. I will also be taking this fanny pack. I also used this for my last Camino, and it's not waterproof, but what I do is I'll just put a plastic bag over it, and nothing will get wet. But yeah, I picked this up for cheap in my trip to Quebec recently. Yeah, and it does the job it needs to do. All right, so now that you've seen my bag and my fanny pack, let me show you what I'm gonna put inside of it. So basically this is everything that I will have in my backpack and fanny pack. Let me go through everything. So first let's start with some toiletries. We have some dental floss, small pair of scissors, toothbrush, and toothpaste, deodorant, moisturizer for my face, a pen and a notebook, sunscreen, very important to prevent blisters. I also have these other blister bandages, my brush, my mask for when I sleep at night, and then we also have this. I took it last trip, but I didn't use it, and this is basically a pooper scooper. So if I have to go in nature, when nature calls, you know, you scoop it up and you make sure that it's out of sight. You just bury it in the ground. Then this, I also brought this over last time, but I didn't use it. These are rain pants. Didn't use them, but maybe this time I will. Who knows? And I'm taking 2 shirts, and these are just regular exercise shirts, rash guards. I took this one on my last trip, and it was great. And isn't it cute? It's so cute. I have my 2 pairs of Injinji toe socks, which rock. I love them. And 1 pair of exercise pants. 1 pair of exercise pants. Then I'm taking my hat, which is great for when it rains. That way my eyeglasses won't get wet. And then I'm taking another pair of soft pants, which I will use after I'm done walking for the day. A t-shirt for also after walking. And then electronics. Since I'm in the United States, I bought this adapter, which I also took on my last trip when I did the Fisterra walk, and it worked just fine. I bought it on Amazon. And then some cables. This one is to charge my headphones, and this one is to charge the phone. Then I also have this charger that I bought on Amazon as well. Took it on my last trip. It's a little heavy, but it does the trick. And then the mighty poncho, super important. It rains so much in Galicia. You cannot leave home without this. And I like the poncho over the cover, the backpack covers, because it not only covers your entire body, it also covers your bag. So, you know, good stuff. Then one new thing that I am bringing on this trip are these booties that go over your shoes so they don't get wet. I bought some really comfy shoes when I was in Se. Almost had finished my Finisterre Camino. And they're so comfortable that I want to take them on this trip. So yeah, I'm just gonna, whenever it rains, I'm just gonna put these bad boys on my other shoes. And yep, that is basically it. This should come out to about 10 or 12 pounds max, which will be very, very easy to carry. I know that the shoe question comes up in every single conversation about preparing for the Camino. So I bought these in Se before arriving at Finisterre in November. And the brand is Munich. And let me tell you, they are the most comfortable shoes I've ever had. So I'm taking them on the Camino. And, you know, if it rains, because they're not waterproof, I'll just slap those booties that I showed you on to these shoes and we'll be good. I hope that information was helpful to you in any way if you're doing a shorter Camino like I am, because I'm in the States and we don't get many vacation days. So yeah, now you know what to pack and what to leave home. Bye.